What is going on, guys? Ozzy here, back with another video. I did not put my mic on. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day as always. Four banger. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day as always. We're pumping here right now. Today we're gonna go on a little cruise. It's gonna be a little bit different. No meat. I think it's just gonna be a cruise and then food. Cruise and food. We're gonna meet up with Qasim. If you guys know who Qasim is, then you know. If not, then sorry. Oh. But we're filling up with E, and then we're gonna go to the meetup spot, and then from there we're gonna do like a pretty hefty drive. So I'll pick up the vlog once we get there. There's supposed to be some pretty badass supercars. So yeah, I'll pick up the vlog once we get there. All right, guys, we made it to the meet. Well, the pre-meet, I guess you can say. Everyone's right there. Everyone's right there. But someone has to use the restroom, so we kind of had to ditch everyone. Everyone was just staring at me right now. Like, just walk away. What? What? Oh shit! That's freaking oh, I forgot his name. How did I forget his name? That's Max. There you go. Damn, I don't know how I forgot his name, but Max is over there filling up. I'm pretty sure he's gonna come over here after, but yeah, we're over here looking for restroom for her. All right, we came back from the restroom. This is the lineup so far. This would not want more than like 10 cars here, 15, but no other place better than Irvine. This is crazy. And all these cars in Irvine too. In a Pied-ass neighborhood, this is a no-no. Holy. GT2 RS. I think this is Kevin's actually. I didn't think it was gonna pop out. Damn, almost cashed me out. Kevin's, Qasim's, and then we got this black Mark IV Super. Oh my god. When did that get here? A red SVJ. Oh my god. Look, Lambo 1, Lambo 2, Lambo 3, Lambo 4. 4 Lambos in a row. Look at Max. This is crazy. Damn. SDO, SVJ, Urus and Urus. I'm about to get smacked by this STO. Oh, then we have Riley's R8 right here. That shit sounds nice. Bro, this red SVJ is so nice. It's like a matte red. Red calipers. Oh my god. So low. He came with a squad. He came with the black Urus and a white Urus. This was rolling deep. Red right here, red, and then red mine. Red on red. This thing has a lot of matte carbon. Right there, right there. Oh, I thought the front splitter would have been. Side skirt is though matte carbon. Huge as air vent. SVJ. The whole wing is matte carbon. I wonder if he has an exhaust on it. It sounded like he did. Look at his lineup. 3RS, 2RS, Mark IV, STO, R8, twin turbo R8 actually.
Good luck, everybody else.
Better now. Good luck, everybody else.
No. At least I didn't say it. Or once we get on the highway, we don't rip right away. Let everybody catch up. And then you just fucking mob or slow. Yeah. Everybody replies to you too, sir.
I will be going 65.
Damn. Turn the AC off, boy. No plate, no case. M4. I love the gray on these. Sheesh.
Bro, this SVJ looks great.
Crazy as SVJ. Everyone's surrounding the SVJ because it's literally the cleanest one here. Like it caught them reminiscing. M4 just passed by right now. Her dream car. What do you think? How are we looking at it? She was just eyeing that thing the whole time. I don't know. What time is it? 8:28. We're about to head out in 2 minutes. What highways? I don't know yet. But this is the lineup so far. This is sketchy as hell in Irvine. We're like deep in Irvine too. Driver meeting. Bro, all right, everyone's starting up their cars. I want to see this thing rip on the freeway. I don't know if we'll catch up to Qasim because he drives a little bit over the limit, a little bit. Crazy. Let's hear this thing. Ooh. Bro, he just started it. Why would he rev it? Bro, these neighbors are gonna be mad. Look at this. Oh my God. Let's do this. We'll see how crazy this drive goes. Look at this shit, guys. We kept up the whole time. We kept up 60 miles the whole way here. It's just that we took a fast track, so that's why we got here quicker than the others. That's why we got here quicker than the others. So
I love that one.
all right, guys, we made it. We parked. We made it. There's only like a few of us here that made it. What the hell? I guess we're going a little bit above 60, 65, yeah. So we're going 65, 70 at some point, but that's it. But yeah, got my car right here. C8, Kevin's GC2, Qasim's brother GC3, Elias's turbo, and then Qasim's freaking 3RS. Damn.
Who was in that vet?
Me.
Motherfucker, dude. Bro, so I let off because there was a CHP chopper.
Oh, there was?
So that's why I slowed the fuck down. I was like, I'm just gonna fucking man. Yeah.
Damn, that's twice.
I don't know if you saw it or not, but
Nah.
my big bro fucking texted me. He's like, bro, CHP. I was like, where? He's like, oh.
Nah, I thought it was because of the Durango.
No. Well, that one too.
Oh. Damn. This is badass. I guess slow down because he thought there was a CHP. That's Max for sure. Rari. We got a Rari that pulled up. Damn. Shit. Blacked out with yellow accents. Look at that. I don't know how the hell I kept up with Porsches, bro. Bro, this G-Wagon spits flames. That shit's crazy. Don't do it. Please, not in the tunnel. Please, not in the tunnel. I mean, parking garage. Damn, Max pulled up too. I knew that was him. White STO. Man, that thing looks mean like that. The way the camera's picking it up.
Oh, you mean a Lambo here?
No. He probably just doesn't like to drive like that. STO. Bro, if I had an STO, I would have probably been the first one here. If I had an STO or a 3RS, I would have been the first one here. Got Riley, he pulled up. Bro, he was on my ass the whole time, and he let off at some point. Bro, the wing on this 3RS, I never knew. Y-Sec, because only the Y-Sec comes with it, but the spoiler's fucking huge. Oh, carbon on the roof. Damn. Carbon on the fucking hood.
Mr. Jason.
Side mirrors. He's fired.
I'm gonna need the battery system.
And the 2 cameras
But I was like,
for costume. Got Riley pulled up right there.
what are you shooting on, bro?
Yeah, damn, we pretty much got everyone here. Let's go. Let's go. We're walking now. I still can't believe I managed to keep up with everyone. That's crazy. This was so like last minute. It was supposed to be on Friday, but they did it today. I feel like that's why there's less people. Not that many people can come out on a weekday, I'm assuming. But yeah, we're gonna walk to the chicken spot. To his chicken spot. And grub. We're gonna try it out for the first time. Should we try some spicy shit? Huh? Let's try some, let's do a spicy challenge. Let's do a spicy challenge. I don't know if I saw my mic. Man, where are we? I guess it's in there. Dale. That's Qasim's and his brother's franchise right there. Baba's Chicken. Sheesh. All right, you guys, we got our food. Baba's Chicken. We got tenders. Look at that. Tenders with mac and cheese. And 2 drinks, obviously. Let's try this. I've never tried their chicken. There's been so many car meets here too, and we've never came over here. But I'll give it a try. Let's see. Damn, I'm dark. Let's try it. Ready? Never mind. That shit. Alright, you guys. I took the first bite already. I forgot I wasn't recording, but pretty fire. I like it. I just wish we had like a dipping sauce, something you could like dip the tender into. Try the pickle. I'm a pickle. What about it? Chicken is bomb as hell, though. I'll fuck with it. What about you? Yeah? Pretty good. Pretty good.
But yeah, there's like ranch.
No, yeah, like a ranch or I don't know. Something. I need something. But,
Well,
yeah.
I'm a sauce person.
You're a what?
A sauce person.
No, yeah. I could eat it like this. I don't really care.
Try the mac and cheese.
That's good. That's not really fuck with mac and cheese. That's pretty good.
I wish you got fries.
They're fuck, I forgot the name of those fries.
Crinkle fries.
They would have smacked right now. All right, you guys, we just finished eating. Coming back to the cars. Oh, I'm so full. No. Damn, we still got a good amount of cars here. Bro, Qasim's new 3RS is so crazy. I like it. It's so badass. Like the whole lineup right there. They're arguing.
Spoiler costs more than your entire car.
Elias put his food inside his frunk, and he told Qasim if he has a frunk. And then Qasim's roasting him now. That was funny. Yeah. He said my spoiler costs more than your whole car. Bro, he just randomly gave me a hat giveaway. 72. If you know, you know. It went down to 72 cents one time. That's crazy. Damn. Oh shit. That's sick. And I have another hat to wear. Oh, let me show it. Sorry. All right, retake. I couldn't open the bag over there. I had nowhere to like place it, so I came over here. This is badass. So you got the stickers, and then you got like a fancy bag. That's sick. And then let's see. Oh, more packaging. This is top quality. 72 cents. It's a story. You kind of have to like know who Qasim is in order to like get the memo of this. Damn, I suck. Look at that. I know. Damn, this is bad. It's like suede. Alcantara type. No, I'm just kidding. Keep pushing. I like that. I was literally about to ask him like where he got his hat, but then I remembered that he did a hat drop. Damn, that's badass. 72 cents. And keep pushing. That's badass. Damn. Thank you, thank you. All right, I literally put the hat on, but we're pretty much gonna head out. Everyone's kind of like dabbing each other up. Everyone's gonna head out. We're gonna head out too. We're gonna call it a day right there. Damn. Freaking Riley. But yeah, we're gonna call it a day right there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little bit different. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.